Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable automatic locking and unlocking on any XPeng vehicle. So I am on the XPeng 7 Plus Performance, and if you want to enable automatic locking and unlocking, go over and press on the car icon, which is like our settings. Here we're gonna go to the window and door, the second option from the top. And here in the door lock section, we will have automatic locking and unlocking. As you guys can see, when all doors are closed and the driver's seat is vacant, approaching with the remote key will automatically unlock the doors, and moving away will automatically lock them. So this is a really cool feature. And here you guys can just enable it. And of course, the car is still locked because we have to open up the door. Then we will simply unlock it. And when we go away with our remote key, it will automatically lock the car. So here you guys can enable it, disable, and that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.